The lawsuit is from an investigator who worked on this case and was paid for by a wealthy Republican donor. Says that the story fabricated quotes from him that tied Rich to WikiLeaks leak. And also says that the Trump administration was involved in the story before the story was published. Fox published the story about alleging Rich's involvement in WikiLeaks, but it retracted it a week later, saying that it had not gone through proper vetting. It has not come out and said that it's wrong, and it has said that it has not found evidence to determine whether the quotes that Weaver said were actually fabricated or not. Fox hasn't addressed the question of whether it worked on the story with the Trump administration. It's a big story in many different aspects, because it talks about this Russian investigation which has been dominating the headlines with the president for over the past 6 months. And it also speaks about a news organization that many of its opinion hosts are quite obviously Trump-friendly, but it has some serious journalists on its staff. And perhaps those journalists could be tarred by the accusation that the network put out an investigative story and worked with the Trump administration to try and get a false narrative out there, if it is true.
We're really ending at a record pace, I'll tell you.